So it's been a while since we gave an update on the build on the van, so we thought we'd go ahead and give a quick one out today. So really the only thing that's changed on the outside is we have put on a little beefier tire. Nothing too fancy though. We're still considering if we're going to do a lift on it or not and be able to put a little taller tire. We have done some work on the inside that we'll look at here in a minute. If we go to the back, we've enclosed in the garage with some paneled walling, put in some lighting. We still have the bike tray to allow the bikes to slide in and out. Got most of the electrical area completed. Completed and cleaned up most of the wiring. Still a little more cleanup to do in there. We've added, in front of the water tank, we've added these two wire baskets that work good for storing our bike equipment. Underneath we're able to store a toolbox. We still have easy access into the plumbing. It's kind of hard to see down in there. On this side over the top of the Webasto, I've built a little shelf so we can store some stuff. Keep our camp chairs and camp tables and a small 12-volt shop vac in there. Additionally, we now have our outdoor shower here, so we can pull that out and get hot and cold running water on the outside of the van. We still have a hose out here so we can rinse our bikes off. With 50 gallons we have plenty of water. The filler is right up here. I've added some USB access back here so you can charge some stuff if needs be. Trying to throw little USB chargers all over the place. Inside we've gone ahead and got some of the paneling and the walls on. Got a little more finish work to do on covering up the nails and cleaning up some mistakes. We really like the way it's looked with the beadboard paneling and then the soft walls. I can go take a look on the inside, see some of that paneling. And we've also got our storage unit done, a little bench storage unit. It's right here. So we've got these two little cubbies here that can take some shoes, flip-flops, whatever you got. Here's the bench again. It's got some nice upholstery on it. Have this orange pad made up. You can unclip the pads right here and then down here, and then it gives you access into an underneath area. Might be hard to see on the video. Plenty of storage. Underneath this storage is another compartment where the batteries are, so they're separate from what you're seeing here. Also, we've got the control panels all in the wall now. Sorry, I'm having some camera trouble here. So we've got everything mounted up. A little more trim work to do. There's the MPPT up higher, and then all the control switches for the Webasto and all the lights. Additionally, we've picked up a remote switch for our inverter, so I don't have to get in there and turn it off on anymore. I can just hold that in. It comes on, and then under here, there's my 110 volt right there, so I can power up whatever I need to. Additionally, I've added some USB and a cigarette lighter right down here, so there's more power right here. So if you're sitting on this bench reading or something, you can charge your phone. And we did put in a gas detector, even though I really don't think we'll need it. Here's more of the walls and the ceiling. We have one major project left to do, and that's this empty spot right here. This is where the shower is going to go in, and then the toilet will sit just in the shower, and you'll kind of straddle it while you're showering. We're going to get a stainless steel enclosure is what we've decided to do. So it'll be a 3-walled stainless steel enclosure with a stainless steel roof, and then a stainless steel pan. And then based off of what we've seen some other vans do, it's going to daylight underneath the van into a hose system where we can put a 5-gallon container to collect the shower water for disposal. Additionally, when we had our radio put in a while back, I had the guy just go ahead and run some speaker wire to the back here. So I just found a couple of marine grade speakers and threw them in. It's just kind of nice having the sound be a little more back here. Second one over here. So that's really all we've done since the last update. Take a look at from here from the whole side. Again, we still have a lot more trim work and a little bit more insulation to do around the shower, and then we're good to go.